Hey guys, my name is Gaurav. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have something special. We are gonna be unboxing and reviewing a smartwatch. This smartwatch is none other than the Fossil Q series generation 13. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is the watch right here, and let's unbox it. It just turns on pretty easily, and you can see the Fossil thing coming on. But let's put this watch aside for a minute. Let's see what we have inside. This is a warranty verification of Fossil warranty verification. These are some papers. So I guess this is a manual of the thing, and this is normal papers. Let's put the box aside. So the watch is now turning on. So this is the watch, guys. After it turns on, this is how it looks. Now if you press on this button, you're gonna see all these options like Play Store, settings, photos, agenda, alarm, and all of these is what you're gonna see. But there are a lot of gestures as well for it. Let's go to settings now. Let's go to settings and we'll see some gestures over here. This is gestures, and it has tilt to wake option. If you turn it on, and just let's put it back, and if we put it down, it's gonna close, and if you see, but when you pull it up, it's gonna wake up. Back, it sleeps, and then up, it wakes up. So this is how. And if you want to change the face of this watch, just hold it and move it aside. I personally love this one. I like this. It gives a good feel to it. The strap on this watch is a silicone strap, but it is very comfortable. You don't feel like it is plasticky and all. It's really nice, and it can just be removed. It can be removable like this. Just pull it and open it. It is going to be opened. So for charging this device, all you need to do is just put the thing on over here, and it's magnetic, and it just sticks and it will be charging. The good thing about this watch is that this strap, the silicone strap, is pretty good. It doesn't feel like a cheap one. The watch doesn't feel loose or lightweight. You can feel the watch in your hand. You can feel the presence of this watch in your hand. Since this watch was released 2 years ago, it is a little bit outdated, but it has Google Wear OS, so it is gonna get updated every single time. So if you want to talk about the Google Wear OS or about this smartwatch, it comes with a 2.2. It now has a 2.2 Wear OS. The battery backup of this smartwatch is pretty good. It doesn't, I took it when this had 74, and I've been using it for over like 4 or 5 hours, but it still has 64%. Because there's not much of usage going on for the watch. It is not connected to any app because this is not my watch, and I don't want to lose a lot of money, because if I connect it to my phone, all of his connected apps are going to be lost, so he has to pay them again to get them app. So if you want to go for a smartwatch, and if you want to go for the Fossil Q SmartWatch in 2020, since this is released in 2018, I would say go for it, because when this was released, it was priced at around 19,999, but now if you search it on Amazon, it will come around 8,999, which is quite good for a Fossil watch. And since it does look and feel better than all the cheap smartwatches which are under 10,000, I would really recommend you to go for this watch if you're looking for a smartwatch to buy in 2020. So this was the review of this Fossil smartwatch SmartWatch. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here, and I will see you guys in the next video.